Good morning, theme park screamers! Well, this is an exciting video because if you can tell by the title, up there or down there, depending on what you're watching on, we are finally filming our Fright Nights construction update. This weekend marks 2 weeks to go, so that first weekend here at Fright Nights. And with 4 mazes, 4 scare zones, and a 4D cinema, I think there's quite a bit to do. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the park, where there's some exciting developments going on, and we'll go into a bit more detail about this year's Fright Nights. And we cannot wait. Of course we'll be here, opening weekends, covering the event in full. See you guys there. So we're going to start off the update with what's going on by stealth. Returning for another season, you have got Creature Campus. This scare zone is infamous for having what I would call a very, very cool flash mob in my eyes anyway. It's one of the best experiences, worth doing. I'll show you by this stage because this year it is called Creature Campus Shock to the System. Let's go and have a look. Now, new for 2025 here at Thorpe Park Fright Nights, we've got a brand new scare zone. Yes, you heard me right, a brand new scare zone. It is called Purgatory Town. Now, all the concepts that I've been seeing suggest the scare zone will take place down inside the boulevard. I'm not sure how to sure. For the cinema, known as it, from 3 o'clock, the 4D cinema changes Ready Player One to it, where we all float here. This is one I will not be doing myself personally because I draw my line at sensory levels. I do like Lucifers there. It's a really good scare zone. All the characters, all the minions, they do play with you, and if you've got little friends like I do, they do play with you as well. Anyway, catch up with you over in a moment because I noticed the scare mazes up outside the park. There's no cover. And as people were saying, is it worth doing like some Walking Dead and Ghost Home doing Fright Nights? My opinion, yes, definitely. See you guys a bit later. Now you guys know you've been watching the channel for a very long time. It's not what you know, it's sometimes who you know. So sometimes you come across the actors and they do know who you are. Bear in mind they spot you in the mazes, spot you in the new attractions that season. Talking of which, back for another year, we have got my favourite maze. And you guys will probably go and guess. I think you guys will work it out based on the comments. Comment down below. You guys should know my favourite maze. Yes, back for another year. I don't know if it's going to be his last season, but who knows. New scenes, new nightmares. It's trailers in Super Park Cinema. I cannot wait to get back inside this maze. It is my all-time favourite. I love it. I love all the scenes, the atmosphere, everything. Just me with trailers. This maze, I've done every single version of it. From the first year all the way through to now, I've done every single version, every incarnation of this maze. It is my all-time favourite. It is up there for me, like this and Stitches, my top 2 mazes here at Thorpe Park. I'm glad they're both back this year for Fright Nights. I love in the trailers you've got Breakout Bozos, which is not Big Top. You've got Knock Knock, which is not Death Stalls, and a few other interesting things in there. Around the corner though, you have another maze. This was new for last year. It is Deadbeat. Now all the mazes here at Thorpe Park you do have to pay extra for. As I'm a pass holder, I only pay £7 to get into each maze, or I can get a Theatre and 4 package for £28. That's not bad at all. All time slots are varying in price, and everything else on top of that. As I mentioned, we have got 4 scare zones. They are all included in your entry, as is the 4D cinema. Obviously I'm not down myself, but I do know people who are doing it. My biggest top tip though, if you are coming to Thorpe Park Fright Nights, make sure you've got layers, make sure you've got umbrellas, everything, because you never know when it's going to hit the worst. One nice thing about the Thorpe Park scare zones especially is that all the actors will clock hidden lanyards, even no scare ones as well. Now no scare lanyards are able to purchase for Finder, but you do have to return them. If you've got like hidden lanyards ones like I do, they are also recognised by all the actors across the board in mazes and scare zones, and they also recognise the universal no scare signal. You know what I mean, you know what it is. Basically, you do that, actors will stay away from you a little bit. Anyway, I know what's coming up by that eye corner. My second favourite maze here at Thorpe Park, and it has coming back now for a third year. It is Stitches. So my second favourite maze here at Thorpe Park, it is Stitches. Basically inside the House Toy Emporium, and in the marquee, just over there behind my umbrella, you have got this maze. This maze was new for Fright Nights 3 years ago. It's got some really good scares. This marquee goes up really quick every single year. And I'm pretty sure it takes one in places, but it all depends on the actors and the runs you have on the day. I do like this maze. I love all the scares, all the theming, all the storyline. Basically it's just toy factory that's gone wrong. And it's also what I would consider a step-up maze from trailers here at Thorpe Park. Definitely worth doing. Covered all of the Fright Nights construction going on. It's now time to go and cover the fourth and final maze this year's event. A returning one again, just like Stitches, Deadbeat and trailers. It is survival games. This maze is one that I haven't done personally myself, but this year I am going to do it, hopefully, she says. I don't know if I'm going to do it or not, but I want to give it a go, just to say, you know, I've done it. Obviously it's very windy, so I'm having to watch and go as well at the same time. I'll show you what it is, and then we'll go from there. So right next to the toilets here in Swan Island, you have got this lovely little gate. Now this gate leads towards a building which homes survival games. This maze is the only maze here at Thorpe Park. They can touch you, grab you, and it's only located down that path there. Previous years you've also had like some Walking Dead Sanctum down here, which I did do back in 2017. As I say, it's an interesting location to have a maze. Obviously with survival games, it's one I've never done myself personally, because I just never felt it might be an idea. This year I do want to give it a go, but I don't know if it's going to be last year or not. I do know they can split you up. I am going to hopefully just be able to speak with maze guys on the night and just mention I can't be split up from my carol, my friends with on the day. So when is this year's Fright Nights taking place? I hear you guys ask. This year's Fright Nights starts on the weekend of the 3rd of October 2025. It runs the following weekend and daily from the 16th of October 2025. Opening hours are 10 till 9. Looking forward to covering it. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Handguns Ready. Link down below to our Fright Nights vlogs. And until then, keep riding, keep swimming. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.